Namaste, dear students. Welcome back to Learn Sanskrit with Pathak. Have you ever looked at a picture in your Sanskrit exam and wondered, how do I start Chitra Varnanam? So don't worry. Today in this video, I will teach you a simple step-by-step method. After watching this video, you will able to write picture description on your own. So let's start. So what we are doing in this one, first of all, what is Chitravarnan? Chitravarnan is observe the picture and write picture description. So one thing in this one you have to understand, that is, in the examination a picture is given to you and you have to observe it carefully and write simple Sanskrit sentences based on what you can see. One thing here you have to remember, you are not writing a story. Here, students, you are not writing a story. You are writing, you are writing what you can see in the picture, what you are seeing in the picture. So, what are you seeing in the picture? That one we are writing. Before writing anything, before writing anything in the picture description, before look at the picture very carefully and see these five questions in your mind and just ask by yourself five question in your mind. That is, first is, where is the place? Where is the place? Second question you ask, who is in the picture? Who is in the picture? Third one, you, what objects can you see? Fourth one, what are they doing? What are they what are they doing? And the fifth one, what else is visible? What else is visible? So these five questions, you just observe, you these five questions ask by yourself before writing the Chitravarnan, and this is the all these based on this one you can understand how to write the Chitravarnan. If you answer these five questions, your Chitravarnan is almost completed. After observing these all things, you just make very simple sentences in all, and always you make sentences in the present tense. Present tense is comes in lat lakar. You always use while making these five Chitravarnan sentences in the lat lakar only. Most of the students are doing one mistake is what they try to write long sentences, which is not the correct form. You write short sentences, for that also you will get the marks. But one thing you have to understand, you have to write the completely correct sentence. Whatever the subject you are using, based on that only you have to use the according to that only you have to use the verb also in that one. Third thing in that one, they use difficult grammar unnecessarily. Don't use difficult grammar. Simple Sanskrit is always better. So now we are seeing some example. I just show you the picture now, and based on that we will do practice on this one. So here, as I said, first of all, what we have to observe in this picture, the picture is, where is the place? First of all, we have to understand where is the place. So we can write there idam. First question you can write here. Idam udyanasya chitram asti. We have written first sentence. Now I just we are writing here some other things also. But before that, you just read. First of all, you read Manjusha. Manjusha. What is that in this one? They're saying Balakaha, Balika, Udyanam, Vriksharopanam, Swachhata, Jhadu, Kudadanam, Jal Sinchanam, Paryavaranam, Abhyanam, Sahakarya, Anandaha, Pakshinah, Nadi, Gruham. So these all words are there in this one. Based on these word and whatever we can observe in the picture, based on that one only we are going to write this picture. And in this one you can write idam chitram sundaram asti. So two line we have completed. Third line we can see here, like what object in these all are there. So before the object we can write what are who is in the picture. So idam chitram, or else you can write here asmin chitre, means in this picture. In this picture balakaha balikaha balakaha balikaha, what they all are doing, they are just cleaning the park. So what can we write? We can write here idam chitram or asmin chitre balakaha balikaha udyanam udyanam swachham kurvanti. Now fourth sentence, what can we write? In this one, asmin chitre or idam chitram, you can write that one. Asmin chitre बालिकाः बालिका जल सिंचनं करोति. As I said, we are using always here lat lakar. So fifth sentence we can write अस्मिन् क्षेत्रे छात्राः छात्राः पर्यावरणं. What can we say here? पर्यावरणम्. अस्मिन् चित्रे छात्राः पर्यावरणं स्वच्छं कुर्वन्ति. Or else we can write in this one here only सर्वे छात्राः सर्वे छात्राः सर्वे छात्राः मिलित्वा, together, मिलित्वा is what? Together, मिलित्वा vriksha, this word we are using here, vriksha ropanam kurvanti. So like this you can write all the picture description. I hope you understand this. At the end, I just only wanted to say, if you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Sanskrit with Pathak. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.